It was Senzo Meyiwa's friend, Tumelo Madlala, who told the Pretoria High Court that one of the suspects who entered the house demanding money and cell phones on the night the soccer star was killed had an O-shaped beard. But the lawyer of Bongani Ntanzi, one of the alleged intruders, disputed the description, and the version he gave was put to the test on Tuesday through damning photographic evidence.
Accused number 2 has never had an O-shaped beard. He has made use of his point fingers to make an example on his facial by going around from the mustache to the side of the lips up to the lower part of the chin. And then the witness further says that as he is observing from the picture that is depicted, he says during the time this person took this picture of himself, he had the beard that is more of an O shape.
While some of the occupants in the house testified about the description of Ntanzi and even pointed him out as the alleged intruder, they could not do so back in 2014 after the incident when the identikit was compiled. They only gave the description of the intruder who had dreadlocks. In fact, the description of the second suspect was given by Thabang Makeleni, a passerby who deposed a statement giving a description of the man he saw outside the Khumalo house on the night the soccer star was killed. Makeleni has since passed away and did not testify. The descriptions of suspects given led the police to issue this identikit, which has now been used to compare with the photographic evidence shown in court.
My lord, the witness is saying that what he can see from the picture in which he has just pointed out, he is saying that it is the picture that he just dealt with. And then he can see a person who's wearing a hat with a tracksuit that has a hat, and then it is reddish in color, and it also has a black color on it. From where the witness has just pointed out, he says he can see a hair.
Something like that.
And then he says that it looks as if it's a long hair, more of a dreadlock.
And then in the there's O shape.
And then from where he was has pointed out again, he says he can see a beard that is like an O shape.
Then Nala swine.
My lord, for lack of a better word, the witness then for lack of a better word, my lord, the witness, he has just pointed out again a beard that is called swine in isiZulu.
The state also led a number of pictures when Ntanzi is seen wearing different hoodies, linking the testimony given by, among others, state witness Sizwe Zungu, who testified that he saw Ntanzi, who was in the company of his co-accused, at a hostel wearing a hoodie and later changing to a different color hoodie. The arresting officer also testified to having found hoodies at his home when he was arrested.
Yes, my lord. There were a couple of hoodie jackets inside the wardrobe. He also, my lord, requested to take one of the hoodies, my lord, which was gray in color. And my lord, if I am not mistaken, he was wearing a red hoodie jacket as well.
This damning evidence will continue to be part of evidence that the state is leading when the matter resumes on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.